Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is our Tech News episode 2 and we are going to know about top 5 gadgets of this week. So without getting any delay, let's get started. The first news is about ROGphone5. I recently told you in my last Tech News episode that it's going to be released in March. So finally the date is confirmed. It is going to be the March 10th. It's going to be the 4:15 p.m. IST. Live broadcast will be from the Berlin and New York, Taipei. So I'm eagerly waiting to see this launch event. One of the best interesting thing is first time ROGphone5 has got the highest audio rating. So I'm eagerly waiting to see this phone in launch event. This got big screen like 6.78-inch AMOLED screen, Snapdragon 888 processor, and 512 GB storage, 6000 mAh battery capacity, and 64 MP triple rear camera. So this is really good complete package phone. So and the pricing would be around 44,999, which is 45,000 in India. Hopefully this would be the price after the launch event. So I'm eagerly waiting to see this phone. The second tech news is about Apple AirPods 3. It's rumored that it's going to be same pattern like Apple AirPods 2. The model is really same, nothing changes at all, and there would be changes in drivers and the sensor. The active noise cancellation would be a better one in this AirPods 3. No changes. Mostly this would be launched in the event of iPad Mini 6. So we are eagerly waiting to see this iPad Mini 6 and AirPods 3 in the launch event of April. So let's see what else they are going to get in this event. The third news is about Realme GT 5G series, which is going to be a special edition one. In past, there are a lot of mobiles which got really hype and they perform really well. Like OnePlus got McLaren edition previously in 660, and recently they have got Cyberpunk edition in OnePlus 80. Now it's time for Realme with GT series. It's going to be a flagship killer, like it's got a triplet processor in it, and it's leaked that it's going to be 144 Hz display. So it's going to be a super fast flagship killer phone, and this is going to be the real tough competition for the Redmi K40, which got recently released in China. It got 120 Hz AMOLED display with Snapdragon 870 processor, which has a 500 difference of Geekbench score. So let's see what's going to happen with this Redmi K40 and Realme GT 5G series after the release. The fourth news is about Red Magic 6 Pro, which is a gaming phone. Most of you don't know that Red Magic is the best phone for the gaming. The camera setup would be a different one rather than of their usual spots of placing. Red Magic got really good separate fan base for it. Red Magic is going to release ahead of this ROG Phone 5. So really good clash between this ROG Phone 5 and Red Magic 6 Pro. And the launch event for this Red Magic 6 Pro is going to be March 4th. They are going to release two variants, which is Red Magic 6 and Red Magic 6 Pro. Let's see what are the chipset they are going to get in this, and it has got bigger batteries. The leak says that it's the biggest battery phone ever. So let's see what we are going to get in this Red Magic 6 and 6 Pro after the launch event of March 4th. Coming to our fifth news is Vivo S9, which is going to be the first phone with the Dimensity 1100 processor, which is the MediaTek Dimensity processor. It's going to have a 44 MP front-facing camera and 64 MP rear camera. iPhone 5 used to have a sleek bezels with the cut design at the edges, so it's going to have the same design with a glossy finish. Vivo is a camera based phone, so mostly camera lovers would be liking this phone. There are going to be two designs, which is black and blue and purple design for the second one. So let's see what we can expect from this Vivo S9 after the release. So this is the tech news for the day, and hope you like this tech news episode 2. We are going to continue this tech news episodes. If you like this video, please drop a like and share to your friends. Thanks for watching. Until then, keep smiling. Bye bye.